Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this spring look for you guys. In the UK it finally looks like spring, like the sun is out. I'm also using the new TAMMI palette. You're going to hear my little thoughts on it at the end. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy today's video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So today I'm going to be doing a spring look, which I probably said in the intro already. But I just got the TAMMI Carnival palette and it looks very pretty. Look at that, summer in the palette. Looking at all these colours and I was really feeling the orange, which they call Spice Island. So today I'm going to be doing an orange peachy look, which is perfect for spring. I've got so many acne scars right now. To prime my eyelids, I'm taking my favourite P. Louise base in 5. So I'm just going to blend this out. I really want to do like a blown out look. So I'm going to start with foundation first before I go on to do the rest of my eyes. So the foundation I'm using, it's the MYX foundation. Crystal, your eyes got me caught in amazement. Lose track of time like you're lost in the matrix. Tomorrow could be revelation. So I said, Benaki, she said, Papi, Chulo, maybe one more. So I just like to go over my foundation with this foundation brush. No, it's not foundation brush, this buffer brush from the Real Technique. I feel like it makes the foundation really airbrushed and blends everything in. Like so. This is a Maybelline Erase. I don't know what it's called because it's rubbed off. My spice got them Dr. Pepper. 2 shades it goes for this weather. Spring must have believe with favor. I watched the Jason Peele movie Us like 2 days ago. Yeah, I watched it 2 days ago. I liked it. I thought it was gonna be scarier. Like, don't get me wrong, it's still scary. No, like, it's more full of suspense and like jumpy moments than like scary, you know. I do prefer movies like that. I don't like movies where people get possessed. No. People are bringing up the dead. No. Us is more like they're coming to kill you type of scary, which is nice.
What?
The soundtrack, however, amazing. Amazing. I feel like the soundtrack really added a lot to the movie. So to set my highlighted areas, I'm picking up my RCMA powder. This powder doesn't like run out. I've had this for a while. Like a while. Papi Chulo, maybe one more dance. Papi Chulo, maybe one more dance. Papi Chulo, maybe one more dance. Lightly pat my face with some skin finish. This is like a finishing powder, but it's not really heavy. Like, it has no colour. I really like this. Because we're doing like a spring look, I'm going to go in with the bronzer. Spring must have believed with faith. Papi Chulo, maybe one more day. 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 It makes the face very long and like, you know, skinny. I'm gonna contour with my sleek contour kit in dark. It's like a coral pink. This camera never picks up the blush. So now that the face is done, let's move on to the eyes. I opened it up and this colour is screaming my name. That's a bit of me. Doesn't have a transition shade in here. So I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going to dip this brick colour and this brown. I'm going to mix them together to make my transition shade.
She said, Papi Chulo, maybe one more dance. Papi Chulo, maybe one more dance. Papi Chulo, maybe one more dance.
So what I did is I dipped into that orange. I don't know if it's because I put the brown in my crease, but it's coming out more brick than orange, and I don't like it. I've been deceived, but I'm gonna pat this onto the lid. You see, yeah, what's happening? Do you know what it is? I shouldn't have put that colour in my crease. I feel like it's messing up with the chemicals. Yeah, I'm going to bring this colour to my lower lash line with that same brush. I just put some powder underneath my eyes. I'll wipe it off when I finish with my eyes because there's like way too much fallout. There's stuff happening. I'm going to do the tiniest line of eyeliner before I put on some lashes, like literally the tiniest. Remember like 2 seconds ago when I said I was going to do the tiniest line of eyeliner? Well, as you can see, that never happened. I'm blending out this powder. I'm going to apply some mascara before I put on my lashes. The lashes I'll be using today are Demi Wispies. I've been really into Demi Wispies recently. Papi Chulo, maybe one more dance. Papi Chulo, maybe one more dance. I just put on my lashes. Gonna set my face now before I put on the highlighter. This is the mini version of Rodeo Drive. This highlighter it's beautiful. I'm just taking the brush that I put on my blush with and blending all of that together. So I'm just lining my lip with MAC Chestnut. The lipstick that I'm using is by L'Oreal. It's called Eva. Oh, love it. This is the finished look, guys. I like it. I like what we've achieved today, even though there was a bit of a struggle before we got there. I just added the Fenty Gloss Bomb, the original one, on my lips, so the TAMMI Carnival palette. I like it. I only used one colour from it. This one colour that I did use, I did like it a lot. I would say there's loads of bright palettes out there already, like in the market. This is probably the cheapest one that I've personally come across that is actually good quality. The colours actually do show up on dark skin girls, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so adding that aspect and the price, I would say this is a good palette to get. It is very similar to the BH Cosmetics palette, the Take Me to Brazil or Back to Brazil. They happen to have two palettes that are both bright. Something Brazil on both of them. I have one of them already. It is very similar to that palette, but it is a lot cheaper. For Revolution, the quality is really good. I would say like it's not as good as Morphe, but it's getting there. You know what I mean? So I want to say congratulations to TAMMI. Don't think she'll ever see this, but congrats, girl. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell to be alerted whenever I upload a new video. which will be more often now. Promise. Bye guys.